Hello guys and welcome to a YouTube video. I'm going to be doing a pack opening today for you guys with with 2 million coins. I don't know whether I'm going to get through all the 2 million, but I'll try in that, but yeah, we'll see. Hello mate. Time for action. Let's see what packs are out. Ooh. 55k pack. First pack. First pack. Skip or leave. Bam. Oh, not bad, my friend. Not bad at all. I got Miranda. Brasilia. Maya, yo. You can sort off. I actually really like Belgium. Okay, you can all just sort off like that. That's why I sort them all out, but yeah, we'll see. One pack down. 9 more to go. Should I skip or leave, man?
Leave.
Okay, I'm leave. SRJ says leave. Bruh. That's why I need a manager as well. Mate, your leaving is leaving the room. Wow, 5 position changes. Hey. Yeah, mate, 5. All the players are shit though. 100 grand down. Yeah. 2 minutes of the video in. We got like yeah, man. We got like Di Michelis for Man City, the slowest guy on the whole pitch.
Fucking hell. What that?
Back off. Oh my god. I got 5 squad fitnesses in that one.
5 squad fitnesses?
Yeah. Mate, that's good for like this account, you know.
That's sick.
4th pack. What are we saying, man? I mean, that's actually taking a piss. I got Hector Bellerin, which is Kubali. I don't know what they do. Yeah, pretty much. Kind of shit to be honest with you, mate. But
Good player, but it's not worth much.
I got 4 grand. I don't mind if I do, mate. I don't mind. 5th pack. Leave or skip? Skip. We're skipping. I don't know. I was thinking of making a French team.
I might do. I'm winning the minute.
Who the fuck? Vijo.
Mitchell said he's going to beat you in the ass.
They better not beat me in the ass. I need it.
Point. He said he's going to back to you.
Come on then. Bam. Well, I'll tell you what, 3 BPL players then. Brazilian.
I did that say to him. Oh, better off just saving on 270. Yeah. 50 points is pretty sick. Just sit over.
Do I keep it? Shut the fuck up. Seventh pack. Bam. I just got oh my god, I got an inform.
You got an inform?
Mate, don't get excited, mate. Yo, He's like 8. His name's Bill Hamid.
Bill Hamid?
Yeah, man, you know
That
this.
one jump.
Yeah, man. I got Abdi as well.
Wait, two is ones.
No, this guy's definitely not an inform. I don't know what he sells for anything. Yo, I like it though. Why am I shitty ass contract pack? No. Me not understand this. Bam. Nope. Sod off. Does he go for anything? Fuck it, I don't know. Yo, that guy's pace. Let's check his skills. Nope, he ain't got football, so he's not with football. Or is it? Or was that just V15? Nobody knows. I don't even want no order. No. Oh, 2 BPL. Oh! That's kind of shit there still. I'll keep one. Come on. I don't actually know whether I kept that French player, but yeah. Bam. Yo, that's beast. Do I keep Gabriel as well? Oh, keep him. Ah, my god, the shit. Tito. I don't know whether he sells for anything, it's just pretty sick. Okay, I've got one more. Last pack, lost. Not last, but I'll probably open a few gold packs as well while I'm at it, but yeah. Yes! There it is! Oh man. It's nice that I can get one at least, eh? Mate. Do I keep the Arsenal badge? There you go, mate. All. That was actually a pretty beast, mate. Does he go through? He definitely doesn't go through, so we'll get rid of him. Last pack as well, man. That's mad. Okay, we'll open that shitty ass contract pack for no exact reason, but. Yay! Get to my club. I don't want it. Oh, there's no more promo packs. Okay, we'll open a few of these. Right now. Then I did get Kaka in a fucking thingy pack earlier though. Oh mate, I was hoping that was Vidal. I thought it was a dumbass arena. That'd be funny. What time is it? It's about 6:30. So yeah. Oh. Mate, I don't even think I'm gonna get anything good no more. Bam! Oh well. What am I doing? I don't know, I do not know this. I could just buy players, but... No. But I think all 7.5k packs are a bit shit. But yeah, it's cool, it's cool, it's cool. Bam! Nope. I don't like it. I hate it, hate it, hate it. Oh. Ugh. Come on, man. Why can't actual thingies actually come out? Please say. I don't know what time they actually come out. If they come out like. I suppose if I keep opening them, if some pop out, then that'd be a fucking bonus, but yeah. Let it do on its own. BAM! No? No, that's actually gay. Can I get a better kit though? Nope. Might suffer a little bit. Oh my shit, man, he probably doesn't sell for cool anyway. Come on! Come on, come on, come on, come on! I'm gonna have to go down to fucking 400 coin packs. Bronze, non-rare, innit? Don't we? Hey, we've got a 5-star skiller, but I don't think he is not worth not much, you know. Is he worth anything? 1, 2, 1. No, in a bit. You get like 650 coins from him anyway. Do I keep him? No. No, no, no. That's a mad kit though still. Almost sent all to club then. Fucking hell, fucking hell, fucking hell. Come on, man. Aguero on the pack, Aguero in the pack. Start of the year, I actually packed 2 Agueros, but he's Argentinian, but he's not. Oh, yeah. The troll. He'll go nicely, won't he? Come on. You take the piss, mate. Bam. Oh, wow. I don't know. I really don't. That hair, though. Looks like someone stuck a wig on his head. Come on. No, 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 no. I swear Team of the Season is shit as well. Yeah. So it doesn't sell for nothing, but hey ho. What's with the blue, man? There's Zam gone. You left me, I swear. Morata again, fuck off. I don't want you, mate. I don't want it, but I do not have to have it. Ooh. Come on now. Please! Because Pierre, yo, he's mad. Yo, that's it. We got a sub goalie. I do not know. That's dead. Where's the promo packs coming out? Okay, check it. No look pack, no look pack, no look pack, no look pack. Don't. Let's hope you give good luck, bro. Nope. Fail.
Let's open the packs.
Yep.
Still recording?
Yep.
There's that.
I keep him on that. I do not notice. Mate, I'm on to 7.5k packs at the minute and they're not doing me any justice. Please! Oh, what?
So, do you wanna come me back soon? Because it's a bit to watch me.
Yeah, well, that's cool.
Safe.
Serve. I gotta have it. Oh. Harry Kane on the pack. Harry Kane, I do not want him in the pack. Oh man, you were so... Fuck off, you weren't. Fuck off now. Come on, mate. Oh, I'm going to keep going until I get someone good. Come on. Mate. Knob. Why not? No. But that makes me sound a bit gay, doesn't it? Woo! Come on, mate. Colo. Fabio Cannavaro. Where did I get Fabio from? No, I ain't gonna be worth jack shit, especially from that league. Come on, man. Ah, sod off, you do. Come on, mate. Come on, I'm gonna smash through these packs now. Oh, a bit of Aaron Lennon. Can't go wrong with Aaron Lennon. That's disgusting. Might go down to 1 mil and then leave it at that. Toe Jizzle. Yeah, funny. Come on, man. Oh man. Okay, we'll add all them to the club. Come on, man, I'm gonna leave this one. I'm gonna leave this. Yeah. Leave it, yeah. Leave it. Nope, and yet again. Oh, man. Pack's killing me slowly. Oh. Come on, mate. Hope new packs are at like 9 o'clock. I mean, who the hell is he? Oh man. I'm gonna do this video to 20 minutes, but I really want to get someone good. Give me like a Lacazette, man. I'll be happy with it. Oh. How many players are getting? They're all actually shit. Got a couple of Brazilians, but they're sick. What? Nothing good, man. Got Jet Li, but yeah. Come on. Dun, dun, dun. Bam. Bibiani, maybe? Has he still got a rocket power, like shot power or something? Or is he shit? You go. Bye. Back hit someone else. Like it's shit, like it's shit. French League. I'm just adding all these kits to my club and then I'll sort them out later. Damn. Come on. Oh! Bloody hell, mate. Okay, nose pack now, nose pack. Going for it. I'm going for it, going in for it, going for it, going for it, going for it. That's actually taking a piss. 80 rated, 82 rated, and remaining rare. That is really, really gay and dead and blah blah blah. That's Celtic's away kit. I swear the home kit was. What the fuck? Oh, whatever. Juve. Oh, come on. Come on, man. Aguero on the pack. Aguero in the pack. Come on. Liz. What's with the international team? Not Irish. Oh, man. Come on now. I'll be good to you, you be good to me. Come on. Oh man, I was hoping I was Koscielny or something like that. That's just actually... I'm dying. I'm dying. Come on. Next pack is going to be sick. You ready for this? Oh my god, I got Jackie Chan. Blatantly the rarest card in the game you get me. Whoa, that beat. Come on now. Good card, good card. Looks like someone's took a shot in your head, mate. Get out of here. Oh man. Wanna get up, get down, yeah. Come on, give me something good. Please. Please. Oh, sod off. An 84 plus player, I'll be happy. Please, please, please. Greasy Griezmann on the pack. Greasy Griezmann in the pack. Maybe. Fucking hell. Is that a shadow? No catalyst. Mid. No. Bam. Why am I opening these 1,000 coins? Oh, you shouldn't have. Couldn't give a shit about your 1,000 coins. I want one player. Not 1,000. Or 1,000 please. Felipe Melo is actually right. Right. Close your eyes. Ooh. I'm not gay, I swear. I just like colour purple. Oh, come on, you whack, mate. This pack is really whack. Yeah? No. No. That kid's very yellow. Is that Charlton? Nope. Yeah, you stupid cunt. Oh, man. You're making me cry, man. Come on. Nope, and still, I get shitty ass players. 4-star skiller? Nope. You? No. Yay! Man shitty mate is shit. Close your eyes and let it go. Man shitty is shit, but I just kept it like kit. Yeah. That makes sense. 3, 2, 1, bam! Mark Naval, nope, nope. Ooh. Can't say it's a rare place pack, please. No, 1 lone pack. I don't mind. As long as it's a Ronaldo or something. That's why it's below 85 or below, isn't it? I'm not sure about these things. Yes, well obviously if I send it to my club I'm redeeming it, aren't I? You mong. Mate. Fuck. Yeah. Yeah. I think Switzerland is sick, mate. You have to be honest. So at the minute I'm going for like a BPL team or a Brazilian team. I don't know yet. We'll see. But I don't want shitty ass people like that. Come on, man. I ain't at. You tell 7.5kg packs have gone downhill. No one used to open all the time. Literally get like fucking sick plays in them. You spend about 100 grand of coins and 100 grand, 100k. Get some good. But Blowski Wowski. Hello, mate.
Are you still recording?
Yeah. It ain't happening, my friend.
Pardon?
It isn't happening.
No.
Close your eyes and let it go. Maybe it's because I'm just opening 7.5k packs, but I don't know how to do this. You know,
Yeah.
I'll open my lone player. At least then I'll get like a 85, 80 plus, 85. Yay!
Did you get any good players?
I got Higuain.
Frank Ribery.
What?
You got Ribery.
Higuain. Higuain?
Higuain.
Yeah, Higuain. Yeah, you know. Oh, see, he's only on loan though, innit? I actually got a free loan pack, and that's like the best player I've got in like 200k. Resiki is shitty. Down, 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 down. The lights go. Come on, Matt. Come on. I want to end on high, man. Oh, 1, 2, 4, 6, 7 players in that pack, and none of them ain't even rare. That's when you know something's wrong.
What the hell?
7 players in a. I don't know how many there were. And 12. There's 12 items, and 7 of them were players. Come on, man.
Good luck.
Ooh. Is that good? Follow me. Oh, come on. It's like half an hour into the video and I do not know this. I got international man of the match or whatever it was.
Alright, I'll call you back in about 10 minutes.
Yeah, man.
Really?
Yeah, man. That's cool.
I'll call you back in like 10.
Yeah, man. Maybe I
Okay,
should.
buddy.
Yeah. Come here.
Call you up.
Bloody hell. Do it do when the lights go down, 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 down. Give me a good player. Or not. Oh man, this is doing me head in. How have I got duplicate of him? Shit. No, that ain't even cool. Some really shitty guys in my team. I don't even know. Down, 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 down. And the lights go. I need to go into my team after. Come on. Nope. You probably don't even sell for shit either. Little thing. Come on now. You're taking the shit. Come on. That's what I scream. Blow up, blow up, blow up. Diddy! Diddy! Anyone ever used to watch Dexter's Laboratory? Diddy! No. That's mad. Come on now. Oh, the finger basher! No. Sounds disgusting. Oh. The next one will be sick.